Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to use Strikethrough in Google Sheets, not just the basic way, but also a super handy dynamic method using checkboxes. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to cross out any data you need, whether it's a completed task, an outdated number, or just something you want to visually mark as done, and even control it with a simple checkbox. Let's get right into it. First up, if you just want to strike through some text or a number, it's really straightforward. Start by clicking on the cell you want to apply a strike through to. You want to make sure you only have one cell or a range of cells selected, depending on your need. For example, if you're tracking completed tasks, just select that cell with task 1 or whichever cell is relevant for you. Now look towards the top of your Google Sheets window up in the toolbar area. You'll find a button that looks like a little S with a line through it. That's your strike through button. If you don't see it right away, sometimes it's hiding in the More dropdown, so just click that little arrow to expand the options until you spot it. Once you find it, go ahead and click. Instantly, whatever you had selected gets that classic line through it. It's perfect for visually showing when something is no longer active, or just to draw your team's attention that this item's finished. Now maybe you want to get a little fancier, say you want the strike through to automatically appear or disappear at the click of a checkbox. This is really useful if you're building a to-do list, tracking item completion, or working with anything where status changes often. Here, how you make that happen. Start by finding an empty cell near your data where you want to place your checkbox. Maybe column G if your data is in columns A to F, but you can pick whichever column fits your sheet best. Click inside that empty cell, then go up to the top menu and click Insert. From the drop-down, select Checkbox. You'll see a little tick box appear. Now you can copy that down for each row of your data. This checkbox will act as the switch to turn Strikethrough on or off for your chosen data. Now select all the text or numbers you want to control with the checkbox, for example, every task in your to-do list. With those selected, head up to Format in the top menu and choose Conditional Formatting. This gives us lots of control over how data is displayed based on certain conditions. In the sidebar that appears, we want to set up a special rule. Change the Format Rules option to Custom Formula is. In the box that appears, type in equals G2. That's just an example, so make sure G is replaced by the column where your checkbox lives, and 2 represents the first row of your data range. This formula tells Google Sheets to only apply formatting when the checkbox next to your data is checked. Now in the Formatting Style section below, click the Strikethrough button. It's the same icon as before. This tells Google Sheets to apply Strikethrough whenever your condition, the checked box, is true. Finally, click Done. And here comes the fun part. Test it out. Go ahead and check or uncheck your box. You'll see your row instantly updates, adding or removing that line as you like. It's so satisfying, like flipping a virtual switch on your progress. That's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you can make your spreadsheets way clearer and more interactive. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below if you have any questions or if you've got other Google Sheets tricks you want to learn. And of course, subscribe for more easy, practical tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.